Sometimes you may encounter audio issues on your Hisense Android Smart TV, like muffled sound, distorted, delayed or out of sync audio, and sometimes no sound at all. In a lot of cases, all of this can be fixed if you just restore default sound settings of your Hisense Android TV. So let's see how to reset the audio settings back to factory default. To reset your Hisense TV's audio settings, from the home screen, first go up to the top row, then keep going right until you reach the settings cogwheel. Press OK to open the settings side panel. From there, go down to device preferences, and then scroll down again to sound. Now here will be a lot of options that can be customized, so we are just gonna scroll down and we'll find the reset to default option. Press OK and hit yes. Now all the settings that you have changed will be reset to the factory default values, and this may also fix audio issues with your Hisense TV. And that's all there is to it.